If you're a small business owner and you want to run payroll in under 5 minutes, this video is going to save you hours every month. I've tested the most popular payroll softwares out there, and I'll show you the simplest way to get it done fast. Plus, if you want to follow along step by step, there's an exclusive free trial to my top recommendation linked in the description, only for viewers of my channel. Stick around, because I'll also cover the biggest mistake small businesses make when running payroll and how to avoid it. Alright, here's how you can run payroll in under 5 minutes, literally. Step 1, log into your payroll software dashboard. For this tutorial, I'm using the one I recommend most. Link is in the description. Once you're in, head straight to the Run Payroll tab. Step 2, verify your employee list. Most good software will automatically pull up your active employees, their pay rates, and hours worked if you're using time tracking. Make sure everything's accurate. This takes about 30 seconds. If you're paying salaried staff, they'll already be pre-filled. Step 3, review tax withholdings. This is all automated, so unless you've had changes in staff or someone filled out a new W-4, you can just glance at it and move on. Step 4, double-check payment methods. Whether it's direct deposit or check, your software should remember each employee's preference. No need to re-enter this unless there's been a change. Step 5, click Submit Payroll. That's it. Funds will be scheduled to go out, taxes will be calculated and filed automatically, and you get a confirmation email with a full breakdown. The whole process? Less than 5 minutes once you've got things set up. And if you're using the software I've linked below, setup only takes about 15 minutes total, and you never have to worry about compliance issues again. Now, I promised you a key mistake to avoid. Don't try to DIY payroll with spreadsheets and manual calculations. It's slow, error-prone, and it puts you at risk of late filings and penalties. Automated payroll software takes care of everything, federal, state, and even local taxes, so you can focus on actually running your business. Here's your key takeaway. Small businesses can absolutely run payroll in under 5 minutes. And the only way to do that reliably is with good software. Don't waste hours every month when this can be done in minutes. Quick recap. Log in, review employees and hours, verify taxes and payment methods, click Submit, done. I strongly recommend using the exclusive free trial I linked below. It's the same software I personally use and trust, and it's only available through this channel. Try it for yourself and see how fast payroll can be. Thanks for watching. Make payroll easy and get back to growing your business.